Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is how to fix iPhone 15 Pro Max battery draining issue too fast. A fast draining battery can be frustrating and it's common issue faced by many iPhone 15 Pro Max users. Several factors can contribute to this problem, but the good news is that there are ways to fix it. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is update to the latest version of iOS. Updating your iPhone to the latest version of iOS can fix bugs that may affecting battery life. To update your iPhone 15 to the latest version, you have to open your settings, go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is simply disable your background app refresh. Back, so to do this, you have to go back. You can see your option background app refresh. Simply tap on it. Again, tap on it, and you have to do is make sure that it's off. After trying these two steps and you're still facing the issue, then our step number 3 is turn off your location services. Location services are used by many apps and they can drain your battery if you have them enabled all the time. To turn off your location services, you have to scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. Now tap on location services. Now simply you can see your option location services. Disable this. Tap on turn off and disable this. After trying this and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reduce your display brightness. A brighter screen uses more battery life. To reduce your display brightness, you have to open your control center and from here you can adjust your brightness. After adjusting your brightness, then you have to do is use your Wi-Fi instead of cellular data. Using a cellular data can drain your battery faster than using Wi-Fi. If possible, try to use Wi-Fi whenever possible. After this and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to open your settings simply. Now tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.